Hello! Let's build your confidence today. Fear is just a small hurdle. We can erase the fear together. Look at yourself and smile. Your eyes show your power. Relax your body before you speak. Be like a flexible tree.
Without worries.
Write down your daily wins. Fluency takes time and effort. Start with simple words first. Record your voice and listen. Bye. Notice the melody of English. Talk while you drink your tea. Label everything in your house. House. I am washing the glass now. Speak.
Have English to you, then
English to your pets. Mistakes are your best teachers. Take one small step today. Your potential is very high. Imagine. Dem seed of Hacktonering. You are a great speaker. Keep reaching for higher goals. Join a friendly online group. Find a speaking partner soon. It is okay to feel nervous. Grow your vocabulary like a plant. Learn 3 new words daily. Action is better than worry. The day is finished. Well done. Sleep helps your brain learn. See you tomorrow morning. Day 2. Let's start again. Coffee gives me morning focus. Oh. Add a little bit of fun. You look smart and ready. Time to practice for 10 minutes. Say hello to your neighbors. English is like riding a bike. English is a global language.
where?
Fluency Without Fear. Do you want to travel? Focus on the main idea. Type the words you speak.
Start.
Open the door to new opportunities.
Clean your thoughts every day. Absorb the language like water.
Nature is very quiet and calm. Have Todd's art suhan. Be fresh and start small. I am going to the shop.
Read the labels in English. Have a nice day, everyone. These are fresh groceries. Grapes are small and round. Keep your kitchen very tidy. Watch English news every night. The reporter speaks very fast.
I am warm and happy.
Haha. Celebrate every little success.
You are learning very well. A warm drink is good now. The steam is very warm. It was a busy day today.
Sleep well, my dear friends. Good morning, day 3.
The water is very fresh. This apple is healthy. Is there a letter today?
Rahaverdiai. Keep speaking every day.
You are doing a great job.
Everything is safe and quiet around the house tonight.
English is fun. Goodbye.